So after your children know phonics, what you want to do next is do some sort of word families. So for example, you can use these cards. I plan to make more word family based stuff later, but you can magnetize these and use them on your board, okay? So you can start by a simple word family. So we'll start with at, okay? So we ask the children, what does this sound make? Ah, ah, ah. Very good. How about this one? T, 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 t. Very good. T, t, t. Ah, t, at. Okay, so now let's practice together. Ready? At, at. Okay, so after that, how about this letter? Okay. K, at, cat. Oh, very good. And then again, you can practice words like fat, bat, so on and so forth. And don't go too fast, okay? You might spend a few weeks just building the decoding, learning them how to blend sounds together, okay? So with that in mind, I've designed lots and lots of these sheets, and these have every single three-letter word. We also call them CVC words, so consonant, vowel, consonant. So each sheet has a family. So this is at, this is an, okay? So there's lots and lots of these, and you can do what you like with them too. If you want to, you can cut them out and just use them as columns, practice in class. You can cut out all of them and use them as smaller flashcards, or you can use them as they are and use them as a tracing sheet to help build their writing too. Now I will say that writing comes last, so it might be too hard to start reading and start writing at the same time. What I recommend is teach them how to read first, and then as they've learned to write the letters, teach them to use this sheet. I'll make a separate video on writing, but it's a very big topic. So with this sheet, what you can see is it says bat, okay? So you might practice and say, okay, we're gonna read, let's just read the first letter. Ready? B, K, B, H, M, so on and so forth. B, at, bat, K, at, cat. Obviously you go slower, but then after reviewing you say, okay, you pull this up, you put it on the board, maybe a big version, and you will say, okay, so with this sheet what we have to do is first we have to read it out loud, B, at, bat, and then we have to trace it. You can make it easier for them if you want to and put a dot where they should start, okay? And then you will show them, okay? B, a, t, bat. And now try it without the tracing. B, a, t, bat. Okay? So just something like that. It's very, very simple sheet, but it also has the lines too. I try to keep these on all the written flashcards so children remember about their H's and G's and uppercase letters.